pots. Markers. Go. Back one. Here to go out. Out. Tank Buster. Markers. Sorry, not markers, but go to your positions. In, out with Earth Shakers.
Out.
Out. We're gonna get corners. Tank Buster first.
Corners or markers.
Hop sprint. Markers.
Markers.
Tank shit. Yellow keeps. Poking.
Star info. Thank you.
Positions inside. In or out? Out.
Out.
Base lasers. Party stack. In or out. Look at his movement as you go to the left.
In.
Well done, guys.
Add shit. For the one under him.
I've got room in the corner here.
Give base and room. It's gonna die soon. Careful on the puddle. Dive bomb. Next. Dive bomb. Blue keeps. Pots. Poking.
The dream.
Marker, go to Vey. Vey, go through. Next. Go through. Next. Go through. Next. Go through. Corners. Go to that side you guys are on.
CB.
Back. Back. Go guys.
Dodge the fire orbs.
A.
Dodge the wings.
I might die.
Oh, hey. Oh, no. Ooh. Okay. I need him.
I need a raise. We're gonna lose aggro if they die. Watch dive bomb, focus. Second dive bomb.
Not good.
There's gonna be a tank buster, Vey take it straight away.
Protecting straight away.
There's going to be a tank. I might not be able to hold it.
Protecting again.
I'm home ganging this. Yeah. Thank you though.
Ah, come on.
I can't.
Keep aggro, keep aggro.
Yep. I've got a good aggro lead.
Go.
Going to A.
In or out. Be inside his hitbox, just in case. Tank buster.
And
In.
You don't have any cooldowns for the next one, right?
No, I do.
Okay.
Yours.
I need to tank.
Yep. I have shock. There you go.
Exit flares.
Watch out for X's.
Land with C, around C. Go into the side.
Shakes out.
You can still hit it.
Hit the boss.
Keep hitting the boss.
Yeah, full
to the
Side.
left.
Might step it. Is it going to be in or out? No, it's not. Corners.
Corners with
There's gonna
ice.
be a tank buster. Focus on
Corners.
Venom.
Corners all markers.
Yeah, corners or markers. Go to, yeah, corners markers. Get ready. Markers.
Markers. Nice.
Shit on the ground, shit on the ground. After this is sky lasers. Keep top people up, give me an Adler. There's a tank bus here, I'm dry.
I'll reprisal it.
I don't have tank.
That's Arcry. That's space lasers. Look up.
Tank buster.
Live. Good.
Pots in 20.
Tank buster here. I have nothing again.
My tank's still down.
Corners.
It will be corners or markers.
Corners or markers. Top sprint.
Corners.
Corners. Pots.
Focus
We're
on
gonna
X's.
go
In the, in the star.
I take.
You take.
Focus on X's and do the Archmon.
Exaflare. Watch the ice. Go around C and then go into it where D was. Back. Nice.
Good job.
Oh, thank God, because I was gonna die.
Easy. We still had,
well
like,
done,
we
guys.
had like 3 diffs there, like what both tanks did, and we still killed it way before the
It's all in the pots, baby. It's all in those marvelous pots.